If we need to feed the world, ensure environmental sustainability, and enhance farmers' profitability, we need to embrace advanced research such as biotechnology. However, having these advanced research facilities for biotechnology at each university and organization is expensive and not cost-effective. The Western Australian State Agricultural Biotechnology Centre provides a collaborative research platform to researchers for undertaking genomics and biotechnology research to deliver affordable and sustainable genetic solutions to the agricultural industry. SABC hosts students, researchers, and commercial companies who are undertaking large-scale genomics research and using new technologies such as gene editing for breeding new crop varieties, understanding agricultural pathogens, and improving livestock health. SABC has multiple research arms, including molecular biology, gene editing and proteomics facility, advanced genomics platform, greenhouse and speed breeding facilities.
Through its state-of-the-art technologies and collaborating with different industry partners, the SABC is at the forefront of agriculture biotechnology, contributes to global food and nutritional security.
The SABC provides our world-class researchers with access to laboratory space, greenhouses, and also access to state-of-the-art instrumentation.
At SABC, we do large-scale DNA extraction for genome mapping and molecular breeding. This system can process up to 96 samples in less than 20 minutes, enabling purification of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Once we have this high-quality DNA, we use cutting-edge sequencing technologies to decode genomes.
So these are our PCR machines. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, and it's a technique researchers use where they can extract small amounts of DNA from a couple of cells, and they can use these machines to multiply that DNA many millions of times to produce enough DNA to use in their experiments. Gene editing is one of the most exciting techniques in agricultural biotechnology. With gene editing, researchers can change the DNA of plants, but they're not doing it using genetic modification or GMO, so it's not subject to the regulatory restrictions of GMOs, and in many countries, it's not considered to be GMO.
So ever since 1993, the SABC has been running a DNA Sanger sequencing service. This is our current sequencer. It's got 96 capillaries and it can process a 96 well plate in 2 hours to give 1,000 base pairs of sequence for every well. It's got a 14 plate stacker and it also does fragment analysis.
In our research program, we are using this facility to rapidly introgress some drought tolerance genes into some of the leading Australian chickpea varieties to develop climate-resilient varieties for Australian growers.
The advanced genomic platform utilizes cutting-edge genomic technologies, including next-generation sequencing and high-throughput genotyping. Here you can see the most powerful sequencing machine, which can generate up to 6 to 8 terabyte data in 24 hours. And we have fully automated library preparation and the sequencing systems. Once this data is generated, we use this data in decoding genomes, trait mapping, and molecular breeding.
A sequencer generates massive amount of data in the form of GBs and TBs, which needs to be analyzed and investigated thoroughly to get some meaningful biological insights. We at CCFI use computing resources from POSI Supercomputing Centre as well as our in-house server called Zitron Pro to analyze the sequencing data.
This machine can generate up to 70 to 130 million reads per run, and this platform empowers breeders and geneticists to deliver genetic solutions in a cost-effective and faster manner.
We recognize that the true value of research is only realized when it is translated to commercial outcomes. To assist with this research translation, we act as a commercial incubator for new companies in the agricultural biotechnology space. We provide these companies with a cost-effective access to high quality and the state-of-the-art facilities. We are proud that the SABC has played an essential role in success of numerous startups who have gone on to be worth millions of dollars.